latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Naravane tried to lay all speculation about a standoff persisting between India and China at the border in Ladakh to rest. Speaking to the media post the Indian Military Academy's passing out parade in Uttarakhand's Dehradun, General Naravane said the situation along the borders with China was under control.
I would just like to assure everyone that the entire situation along our borders with China is under control. We are having a series of talks which started with the Corps Commander level talks on the 6th of this month. This has been followed up by a number of meetings at the local level between commanders of equivalent ranks.
The army chief said a lot of disengagement had happened from the area of Galwan River due to the fruitful dialogue between the two sides. He said the situation will improve further as the dialogue between the two nations continues in future.
Result of this, a lot of disengagement has taken place, and we are hopeful that through this continued dialogue that we are having, all perceived differences that we have will be set to rest. As I said right at the beginning, everything is under control.
General Naravane also refused to call it a retreat by Chinese soldiers.
I would not like to use the word retreated in any context. There is no retreat, there is no, the correct word would be to use it as disengagement, and both sides are disengaging in a phased manner.
Speaking about India and Pakistan, the army chief hailed the people of Jammu and Kashmir, saying the information provided by the local people helped in eliminating a number of terrorists in the valley.
As far as J&K is concerned and our western neighbor, as you would have seen, we have had a lot of successes in the last 1 week or 10 days. In the last 10-15 days alone, more than 15 terrorists have been killed. All of this has been because of very close cooperation and coordination between all the security forces operating in the Union Territory of J&K.
The Modi government had come under fierce criticism from opposition parties over the scuffle between soldiers of the two sides near the Pangong Lake on May 5th and the subsequent standoff at Galwan River.